If you're building a product, you're going to be talking to customers, and you're going to be doing user interviews, sales calls, demos, and more. And you're going to learn a lot about your customers, but it's going to be all inside your head. And what you need to do is share your learnings with the rest of your team. But here's the problem. Notes aren't accurate. They're full of bias, and they only capture what you thought was important at that moment. This leads to communication friction and everyone having a slightly different idea of what actually happened. As your team grows, the problem only gets worse. And that's why we built Stories by Perfect Recall. No more sharing notes that say the customer had a hard time with the product. Instead, share the literal video footage of the customer complaining about it. That's how everyone on the team can deeply understand the customer and empathize with them, even if they don't directly talk to the customer themselves. Here's how it works. First, Perfect Recall records your call in Zoom. Next, you can clip out the highlights from the recording by highlighting the transcript text. Finally, create stories by stitching together highlights. So that's Stories by Perfect Recall. Try it out and tell me what you think.